In this video, we are going to show you how to make different energy suppliers available to your account in GHGi Analytics, and also how to add new energy suppliers if the one you want is not available. On setup, your account will have a number of the better known energy suppliers immediately available to you. However, we have over 70 different energy suppliers to choose from if yours are not in that initial list. After logging in, you get to the central console. First, we will see how many suppliers are already available. In the navigation bar, we select Applications, and in the drop-down, select Analytics. This takes us to the dashboard page, where we select Setup in the navigation bar, and in the drop-down, select Add Electricity Meters. We select one from the drop-down and click the button Add Meters. This brings up an Add Electricity Meter form. We click on the Supplier Name drop-down, which shows us all the currently available suppliers. There are at present 13 to choose from. We want to add E.ON, which is not available on the list. So, again, we will select Setup in the navigation bar, and in the drop-down select All Energy Suppliers. This takes us to a list of energy suppliers held on the system. There is a long table on this page listing all the currently available energy suppliers. Those already available to you will have a green background and a tick in the checkbox. We will scroll down to find E.ON, which is at number 20 on the list. We tick the checkbox and the background turns green. We now scroll to the bottom of the page and press Update. The page refreshes and we scroll down to confirm that E.ON has been retained. To prove that it is in your list of energy suppliers, we scroll to the bottom of the page and there we see a drop-down with the label above it. Now test how your energy supplier list will appear elsewhere in the system. We click on the drop-down and there we find E.ON fourth from the top. However, if you are of a more cynical disposition, we will again select Setup in the navigation bar, and in the drop-down select Add Electricity Meters. We select one from the drop-down and click the button Add Meters. This brings up an Add Electricity Meter form. We again click on the Supplier Name drop-down, which shows us all the currently available suppliers, and there is E.ON. Now, let's take the case where one of your energy suppliers isn't in the main list at all. This is likely to be the case with local suppliers of such things as heating oil, LPG, or perhaps an account with a garage for fuel. I will now show you how to add one. We start by selecting Setup in the navigation bar, and in the drop-down we select All Energy Suppliers. We scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the button Add New Energy Supplier. This takes us to the Add New Energy Supplier form, where we are going to add the green energy supplier Outfox the Market. So we type in Outfox the Market and then click on the button Add Energy Supplier, which takes us back to the Energy Suppliers page. We scroll down and there it is at position 52. We tick the box, it turns green, and then we scroll to the bottom of the page and press Update. We again scroll down to the bottom and click on the Testing drop-down, and there it is, Outfox the Market. Thank you very much for watching.